In 2010, British academic Thomas Thwaites gave a TED Talk that's one of the most popular of all time. The subject was building a toaster from scratch. The lesson from that is we live in a highly connected society. That lesson sometimes needs to be revisited. I'm a skeptic about industry and space, and I'll outright piss in your Cheerios about space colonies. Just about every time I post something skeptical about space industry and space colonies, I get comments of the form, couldn't we just make that stuff in space from materials we mine in space? Thwaites' toaster project was arduous enough here on Earth, where, if you know where to look, nature provides all the materials like metallic ores, petroleum, and so on, just sitting there on or near the surface of the Earth. It made for a great TED Talk. The resulting toaster was a laughable mess of primitive plastic and crude metal. It cost over $1,000 to make it, and there were numerous instances where it was unavoidable to use products of the modern economy in this experiment. Now imagine doing that in a spacesuit, on Mars. The next time you hear a space enthusiast say, couldn't we just? Ask them this, you and what supply chain? Continued reliance on materials and processing on Earth means putting an outpost on Mars wouldn't make humanity multiplanetary in a way that would preserve humanity in the face of some global catastrophe, not until those space colonists can make their own toasters. Until that time, all we've accomplished is making an even more costly, complicated, high-stakes, high-latency supply chain than any that we have here on Earth.